Are you tired of age spots? If so, you're not alone. Age spots, those small dark areas on your skin, are a common concern for many. Now, what if we told you that you might have a solution right in your kitchen? That's right. We're talking about erasing age spots using simple, inexpensive kitchen ingredients. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around and we'll show you just how it can be done. Before we dive into these recipes, we need to lay out a health disclaimer. This video and the information provided are for general informational purposes only. They are not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Remember, always do a patch test before trying any new skincare product or recipe. Our first recipe is a lemon and honey mask. This delightful duo of lemon and honey packs a powerful punch when it comes to skincare. The natural acidity of lemon acts as a potent bleaching agent, helping to lighten age spots over time. Meanwhile, honey, a natural humectant, locks in moisture, resulting in plumper, softer skin with a natural, radiant glow. Combining these two ingredients creates a mask that's not just nourishing, but also effective in reducing age spots. Here's how to whip up this rejuvenating mask. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of raw organic honey. Stir until you've got a smooth, runny paste. Apply this mixture to your face, focusing on areas with age spots. But remember, lemon can cause photosensitivity, so avoid direct sunlight for a couple of hours after application. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse it off with warm water and pat dry. And there you have it. A simple yet effective lemon and honey mask to help you tackle age spots head-on. Moving on to our second recipe, an apple cider vinegar and onion juice concoction. This potent blend is a powerhouse of natural ingredients known to brighten the skin. Apple cider vinegar is packed with alpha-hydroxy acids, helping to gently exfoliate your skin and reduce the appearance of age spots. Onion juice, on the other hand, is rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds, known to protect and nourish your skin. Now let's get into the preparation. Start by blending one small onion until it's pureed. Strain this mixture to extract the juice. Mix equal parts of this onion juice with apple cider vinegar. Apply this solution to your age spots using a cotton pad, leaving it on for around 15 minutes before rinsing off. This treatment can be used once a day. Just a word of caution, this mixture can be a bit strong, so always do a patch test before applying it to your face. Remember, always rinse thoroughly and moisturize after using this treatment. Our last recipe is baking soda. Baking soda gently sweeps away dead skin cells and can assist in fading those telltale signs of aging. To concoct this mask, you'll need 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Blend in a little water, just enough to create a smooth, spreadable paste. Once you've achieved the right consistency, apply this mixture to your face, being careful to steer clear of the eyes. A note of caution, baking soda can be slightly drying, so be sure to moisturize after rinsing. Allow the mask to settle on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes, letting the baking soda work its gentle magic. After 20 to 30 minutes, wash it off with cold water and bask in the glow of your rejuvenated skin. And there you have it, 3 recipes to help combat age spots. We journeyed through the rejuvenating world of lemon and honey, the potent blend of apple cider vinegar and onion juice, and the soothing touch of yogurt and turmeric. Each of these recipes brings its unique benefits, all aimed at helping you regain your skin's youthful glow. Remember, the key to success in skincare is consistency. It's not about quick fixes, but about nurturing your skin day in, day out. So why not give these recipes a try? They're simple, affordable, and they harness the power of nature to help your skin look its best. We're excited for you to start this journey, and we're even more excited to hear about your experiences. Have you noticed a difference? Have you discovered a new favorite skincare routine? We're all ears. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share your experiences in the comments below. We can't wait to hear your success stories.